welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is always Mr. Fred Moa. Make sure you have subscribed to this channel, like and comment about any song you want me to teach you here. Like this song called Mimina Neema. This is a Catholic song and I'm going to show you how to play it just here on Fred Moa YouTube channel. So without wasting our time, let's get started, guys. We are going to start with our melody, and as you know, now we are used to playing the melody with the chords. We are not going to play the melody alone, so we are going to start like this. So just like that, we are going to use that short melody. So let's get started. So we are not going to use that full melody. So I'm going to teach you the melody with the chord. So we start like this. So like that, eh? So we combine the melody with the chord. Like that. So let me play slowly. Like that. Repeat again. And then like So you repeat the same melody you are playing, you repeat it with the chords, eh? So we start again. So So guys, as you continue like that, you continue playing the melody. So after that, you combine with your right hand. So you are going to play like this. after that you play with drums with a tempo of 1 or 2. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Let's meet on the other video. My name is Fred Moa. Thank you so much guys, and God bless you.